Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over Meld. I'm going to give you a beauty of a price prediction. We're going to get into what is Meld for a little bit, and then we'll talk about what I think the price of Meld could be at the end of this year, going into the bull run. So ultimately, this is a bull run price prediction video. So whatever the height of the market is, that's what I think we can get to. We'll get into the price in this video. So if you can, so kindly, smash the like button, subscribe, ask questions. I like seeing those. It's really cool. So let's start off with what is Meld. So Meld is your non-custodial DeFi lending and borrowing protocol. The idea of Meld is that you have an all-in-one layer one blockchain that you can connect different blockchains like Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana, and you do all of your crypto banking. So you can borrow against your assets, you can lend your assets, and you can stake Meld. So this is what their dashboard looks like. So this is one of my Meld app wallets on desktop. So if you go to the wallet, you can see different assets. This will get bigger and better down the road, but already you can see the potential of Meld. So we'll even go to the main website. So guys, comment down below if you like Meld, if you've been following it. I've been in here since the initial stake pool offering. So the blockchain built for DeFi, again, a non-custodial, meaning you own your private keys, you own your crypto, and you do your banking. So they're also planning to integrate fiat. Hasn't happened yet, but yeah, I do have a special interview coming very soon with someone very special. So I'll share that when the news comes and goes. So guys, check out the roadmap. You guys can also tune in to Crypto Moose, the channel. So check out the latest videos. Type in Meld. And I've done a roadmap video too. 2024 roadmap. This will help you out a lot. Specifically if you want to know, what's to come when it comes to Meld. So they've been just checking things off. Some things I'm excited about is going to be, what was that one? Yeah, the lending and borrowing, massive, mobile cross-chain crypto swaps, just the app coming out. So I've beta tested the app. I have it on my phone, but there's a lot to come. So you guys are here for a price prediction. I understand that. So right now, I believe we're at like a penny, right? A penny, penny and a half. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's type in Meld. So we're at a penny and a half. We've been here for a long time. On the day, we're down 5%. On the week, 10%. On the month, we're down 10%. I believe that's what it is anyways. But this is the big opportunity. So with Meld, you've had, what is that? You've had 2 years to pick this up for 3 cents or less. In my estimate, this will be one of those projects where people look back and think to themselves, why didn't I buy any? Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, but this is one of those projects where I'm like, is it too good to be true? So I have a position. This is, in fact, my number 3 or 4 position in my portfolio. So I'm bullish on Meld. So here's one thing I like as well. I like the idea. It's going to be tough to execute, right? Banks competing against them. Now look at this. Like Kopi, we've got a 60 million market cap, let's call it. I'm going to round up the numbers. So small market cap. Now look at this. 94% roughly of the tokens are already in circulation. So most of the tokens are already out. If you were in the ISPO, if you were in for any epoch, so I was in there for the whole ISPO, so I did earn this Diamond Hands NFT, really cool. I believe this will give you a little bit of I think it's going to give you a little bit of utility when it comes to the lending side on Meld's app, and then lending or borrowing, one or the other. But for the staking, I believe that's going to be the Meld bank managers. So that's going to be this. So they already have 2 NFTs, not the scam ones. Be wary of those. So this is my bank manager. I like this one a lot. So if you were in any epoch, if you were staking to the Meld stake pool. If you're delegating, you would have gotten a bank manager, so you would mint for that. And then you got this airdropped if you were in all of the epochs. Okay, so some of you will know about that. I don't know why this isn't loading, but you guys can see the image right here. So getting into the price, if you guys do simple math, and we're going to go to the Moose's book, right? This is some Moose craft here. Set the bubble tea aside. We've got 60 mil divided by 4 billion. So I put my calculator on long side. So if we do 60 million, so it's 60 in 6 zeros after that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So just to show you guys, you're gonna, to find out a current token price, you're gonna do the market cap divided by the circulating supply. So you're gonna do that divided by 4 billion, roughly. There's less than that, but so it's gonna give us 0.015. So that's basically the price. So we don't have 4 billion out, there's 3.7 billion. So that would give us the number. Now, this comes down to, what do we believe the market cap of this project can be? What we can do is look at other projects that are similar or somewhat similar, right? So we're gonna go and take a look at other kind of like DeFi kind of plays, so we can at least get an idea. So go under categories. We're on CoinMarketCap right now. And let's go by name here. So if we go to like, I'm pretty sure just like DeFi, there's a couple I've seen. Now I haven't done this in a while, but like, this is what we want. We want to look at DeFi because the idea of Meld is, you know, it's basically your banking. It's your all-in-one banking. So what could be something that's a little bit similar to that, that's already out there doing well? So Maker could be one that's kind of like a Ethereum type one, right? All right, so this is a 1.8, but we're also not, we haven't peaked by any means as well. So let's take a look here. We got Jupe, that's a DEX aggregator, so completely different. Let's just go by market cap. Compound could be one. So if we go through Compound, right, we're at a 600 mil market cap. In the idea of Compound, this is Ethereum, right? Yeah. Compound is a DeFi lending protocol that allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies by depositing them into one of several pools supported by the platform. Now, Compound's a big deal, right? I don't know if it was like Mark Cuban or others, but it's like Maker, Compound. This is a little bit of the similar territory where it's kind of like, it's DeFi, right? It's decentralized finance. So Meld hits on a lot of that and more. It even brings the fiat side. But if we're trying to compare, trying to get some ideas, this is a project that I would kind of look at, right? And right now it's low. At the peak of the last market, I think this thing was in the billions. So really, to give an estimate, we could be looking minimum 600 mil. So that would give us basically a, 15 cents on the low end for Meld, potentially, right? Do your own research. And that's not even including a bull run. So those are the way I look at some of these things. 1 inch, right? Here's another one, I believe. Get into the specifics. I don't follow it much. 1 inch network unites decentralized protocols whose strategy enables the most lucrative, fastest DeFi space. It's the first protocol decentralized exchange aggregator solution that searches for deals across multiple. So again, you will be able to send your coins away, but Meld is pretty unique. Meld is more of your, I mean, when I think about Meld, I think about interoperable banking, right? So guys, comment down below if you think I'm on. Is the moose off? Is the moose loose? Like, is the moose drinking too much bubble tea or not bubble tea? See my point? Blueberry tea. It's pretty good. Need some more. Making a mess. By the way, I got this tea thing. This thing's making a mess, man. Leaking all over the place. Actually, I did a good job there. It's not even hot. You yell at my assistant. My goodness. Here we go. Here we go. Donna, heat up the tea, damn it. I'm kidding. Her name's not Donna. Let's go through here. So we got Merlin. I don't know what that is. Oasis. Definitely not Terra Classic. We're not even going to... Shouldn't talk about... Here it is. Aave. Aave is kind of like a different one. $1.5 billion market cap. This thing was much higher at the peak. I remember Aave. I think I used it for some degenerate stuff as well. So Aave, again, these are not direct comparisons. I'm just giving you an idea. We're doing this swiftly. Aave, how do I get to about Aave? Where's Aave about? About. Especially as a Canadian. About Aave. We're going to teach you about Aave, eh? You hoser. Forget what movie that was. I didn't even see it. What is Aave? There we go. Well, I want to know what it is. Rah. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this is part of that DeFi play. Maybe we can go to the website. But this is what you want to do. You want to look at other projects that are kind of similar, right? So here we go. Aave Liquidity Protocol. Earn interest, borrow assets, and build applications, right? Supply, stake, borrow, vote. And Aave markets, you've got Matic, Arbitrum, AVAX, Optimism, Base. So a lot of people are using Aave for, I believe, they're lending and borrowing now. I have to do a lot more research, but this is kind of what their stuff looks like. Opt out. So here you could do like staking and whatnot, staking, governance. You connect your wallet and do that. I have not used this, so maybe I can connect a wallet. I don't really mind doing that. Anyways, I just want to give you an idea. So look at other projects. I think Aave, the other one, is a good idea. So look at Meld.com. Get into what you think. So price predictions. 600 mil market cap. That would be, we would add a zero. That would be a 10x. We would be looking at a 15-cent Meld. So we would add a zero. We would move that one over. Now, if we got to something like, let's say we got to 2 billion, that would be like a 50-cent Meld. See, this is easy. Math's easy with these numbers. Let's say we got to a 2 bill, which would be incredible. If you guys are trying to get to a 100 bill market cap, thinking you're going to, like, one project's going to compete against ETH or something, like, it could happen, like, in 10 years. But we're talking about next bull run. So next bull run, I think low end, 15 cent Meld. And then we have on the high end, let's call it 50 cents. And the moose is being optimistic. So 50 cents, very reasonable at the height of a bull run. So just be smart. We get to 15, 20 cents. It's like, maybe we want to, move some of our position. That's a huge gain, right? That would make the moose like 50 grand, whatever it may be. So guys, comment down below if you agree or not. Just giving you an idea there. Just speaking out loud. Nothing should be taken as financial advice, right? So definitely, guys, check out these videos. I've been coming out with some dope content. Guys, check out my shorts too, right? Not my shorts, not like my pants, my short videos. I worked hard on those. Please. Here's the bank manager. So you guys can pick these up on JPEG Store. I have no affiliation with them. But the halving's coming. Guys, pick up a Loose Moose NFT. That's the official channel NFT. They're like 9 ADA. They're like $4. You're automatically eligible for giveaways. And pick up a hardware wallet. Guys, you need to pick up a Trezor, Ledger, Tangem. I have one in my wallet. That thing's an absolute beauty. I've done videos on it, several videos. So save up to 25% off hardware wallets. You can also take an online course. Take the free Cardano mini course. That one's pretty awesome if you want to learn how to stake, what is ADA, yield farming, more which wallets to set up, how to swap, how to get SNEC. Some of you D-Gens want to get SNEC. Go ahead. Follow my socials too. Get in the Discord, and whoever's scamming my Discord, I'm going to punch you in the face. Okay, so that's all I got. We'll see you guys in the next one.